Episode 1. What is Spring AI? Enterprise AI without leaving the Spring ecosystem. This is the shape of every enterprise Spring AI app. Your code on top, a seam in the middle, a model underneath, 3 bands. That's the whole idea. Without an abstraction, every provider is its own bespoke integration, its own JSON, its own client, its own retry logic, and the arrows tangle. Security and platform teams can't review 50 bespoke HTTP integrations the way they review one pattern. No DI, no typed response, no central config. This does not pass enterprise review. Spring AI sits in the seam. The tangle collapses into one clean stack, your code, chat client in the middle, the model underneath, and it's built from Spring patterns you already trust. Below the seam, 5 verified providers in Spring AI 2.0, OpenAI, Anthropic, Bedrock Converse, Vertex AI, Olama. Light up any one, the seam and your code above it don't change. Line by line, add AutoWired, private OpenAI chat model. AutoWire the model being Spring Boot already configured for you. Chat client equals chatclient.creativeModel. Wrap the model once in a fluent client. .prompt, .user, why is the sky blue? .call, .content, ask it something, read the answer. That's the whole call. Injected dependency, auto-configured bean, fluent chain. This is just Spring Boot. The payload just happens to be a model. Testable, swappable, observable. This is AI adopted inside the patterns your security and audit teams already trust, not around them. Your code, a seam Spring AI owns, any model behind it. That is the whole idea. Next episode, why Spring Boot teams already know 80% of this. Follow along at thestackunderflow.com/spring-AI.